Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Zen garden. First, let's understand its core components. A typical Zen garden features sand or gravel, rocks, and a rake. The sand often represents water, while the rocks symbolize mountains or islands. The act of raking is a meditative practice, helping to clear the mind and focus attention. We'll explore how these elements combine to create a serene and mindful space for daily reflection and peace. Next, we'll master the art of raking patterns. You can create various designs, each with its own meaning. For instance, concentric circles around rocks often symbolize ripples in water, representing energy and movement. Straight, parallel lines can depict calm, flowing water or ocean waves. Using your rake, gently draw these patterns, focusing on smooth, deliberate movements. This practice enhances concentration and brings a sense of order to your miniature landscape. Now, let's delve into strategic rock placement. The arrangement of rocks is crucial, often following principles of asymmetry and odd numbers. A common technique is the three-rock arrangement, representing a trinity or a family. Place larger rocks as focal points, with smaller ones complementing them. Ensure there's ample space between rocks to allow for raking patterns. This thoughtful placement creates balance and harmony, inviting contemplation and a deeper connection with nature. Finally, we'll cover daily care and mindfulness. Maintaining your Zen garden is simple. Gently rake the sand daily to refresh the patterns and remove any debris. This routine offers a wonderful opportunity for a few minutes of quiet reflection each day. Engage with the process mindfully, appreciating the textures and forms. Your Zen garden is a personal sanctuary, a tool for cultivating peace and presence in your everyday life, requiring minimal effort for maximum tranquility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.